Let's get one thing straight. Sweating is normal, but smelling bad is optional and you can skip it. Welcome to GadInsider. If you've dodged antiperspirant and worried you'll turn into a walking onion, relax. Natural deodorant isn't the enemy. Traditional antiperspirants use aluminum salts to block sweat entirely. Natural deodorants skip the aluminum and focus on stopping odor instead, using ingredients that tackle bacteria, which is the real cause of body odor. You might still sweat a little, but you won't stink. And yes, a little musk is totally human. Dermatologists say body odor doesn't mean you're dirty or unhealthy. It's just sweat mixing with skin bacteria and can be fixed by using aluminum-free deodorants that keep you fresh. First, Kosas Chemistry AHA Serum Deodorant. It fights odor, smooths skin, brightens dark underarms, and helps prevent ingrown hairs. The AHA blend lowers pH, so stink-causing bacteria doesn't stand a chance. And the cool roller ball feels amazing after working out. Megababe Rosy Pits is cute, but powerful. With aloe, green tea, sage, and cornstarch, it keeps odor away while being gentle for sensitive skin. Plus, there's no aluminum, alcohol, or harsh stuff in it, so it's a win-win. And if you like tropical smells, Sol de Janeiro Rio Deo is the pick. Papaya enzymes exfoliate, tapioca starch absorbs moisture, and refills keep it budget-friendly. Glossier's deodorant is baking soda-free and comes in cult favorite scents. Coconut oil and elderberry condition skin, while potato starch keeps things dry. And last, Caudalie Vinofresh is smooth and clean. Its grape water hydrates, eucalyptus cools, and there's no sticky residue or white marks. So if you were annoyed by your sweating, just remember you can sweat and smell good if you use the right deodorant. For more updates like these, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.